Welcome back to Baccarat Report. If you have ever walked into a casino and wondered where the million-dollar action happens, the answer is almost always the same. High rollers love Baccarat more than any other game. Today, we are breaking down the real reasons why. High rollers want the best odds on the floor. Baccarat gives them that comfort because the house edge on the banker bet is one of the lowest in the casino. When players are betting huge amounts of money, even a small percentage matters. It feels fair, simple, and worth the risk. No complicated strategies, just pure action. Casinos roll out the red carpet for Baccarat players. High-limit rooms offer privacy, calm, and prestige. There are no loud slot machines or crowded spaces, just quiet tables where big decisions are made. The higher the bet, the more luxury the casino provides. That includes personal hosts, exclusive lounges, and private dining. For high rollers, Baccarat is not only a game, it is an experience. Baccarat carries a unique kind of excitement. Players squeeze cards slowly and wait for the reveal. Every moment builds tension. Many high rollers believe in streaks, luck, and rituals that make the game feel personal. They are not just chasing money, they are chasing a feeling that no other table game delivers. High rollers do not want complicated rules or slow decisions. Baccarat is fast, clean, and easy to follow. There are only 3 choices: banker, player, or tie. The simplicity keeps the game moving and the adrenaline high. So why do high rollers always pick Baccarat? It offers great odds, high limits, privacy, and pure excitement. It is elegant, fast, and thrilling from the first card to the last. Whether you play for fun or just love watching the action, Baccarat remains the top choice for the biggest players in the world. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Baccarat Report for more insights every week.